Hello, I received your question. I hope I answered. You want to solve the system equations by a method called graphing. And top equations x plus y equal 8. It appears you've drawn it here. It is dashed. Normally we draw it solid. So here's the equation. If you let x be 0, if you were to let x be 0, if you cover this one up, then y would be 8. If you let y be 0, you cover this one up, let it y be 0, it drops out, then x would be 8. So 0, 8, and 8, 0 are two solutions to this equation. And it looks like it's going through 8, 0 and 0, 8, and so that gives you this line here. Now you're supposed to also draw a second line here. So you just need 2 points. You mentioned something about 3 points. You draw a line which is these 2 points, and boom, you're done with this line. Now you got to get 2 points to draw the other line. So I've started it here. You can pick any numbers you want for either variable. But I'm going to let x be 0 and let y be 0 and y be 2. Then I'll find the corresponding x value, and we can plot those and draw those points. So if I let y be 0, and then I simply get x is 2. Okay, so 2 0 is a solution. If I let y be 2, then I solve this equation. If I add 2 to each side, it's supposed to be adding 2 here to each side, I get x equal 4. So what have I done here? I'm finding two solutions here. 2, 0, if you let x be 2 and y be 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, that's a solution. If I let x be 4 and y be 2, 4 minus 2 equals 2, that's another solution. So you find, first of all, you don't need 3 solutions, you only need 2. And then, I plot those points. I come over here, I'll put a point here at 2, 0. I'll put another point over here at 4, 2. And then, the computer will draw a line in here for you. So you only need 2 points. And on the computer, you have a pilot, you press on it, and then you give it 2 points, and it draws a line. Ultimately, what you're looking for is this intersection here, and it looks like that is looks like it's 5. Looks like my line's probably a little sloppy. It looks like it's 5, 5. Or wait, sorry, it's 5. That's a 3. Yeah. So that final answer, is that intersection 5, 3. I hope this helps.